Hello, good morning, warm welcome. It is time to decode the ET Wealth newspaper, and I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth. Today we are going to talk about cryptocurrency that has gone wrong. There's a big blow up that has happened. A lot of people have lost money, a lot of money, because it has come down tremendously. And that's the conversation for today. So, price of a cryptocurrency hits rock bottom, leaving investors with nothing. That's a conversation for today, and this is an article by Dhirendra Kumar on page number 6 of the ET Wealth newspaper, and he's asking people, why are you surprised? So let's check it out. Let's begin. Hi Diksha, good morning and warm welcome. I can see so many of you have joined in already. So let's begin. I'm beginning by reading the first paragraph. Hi Anjali, good morning. So something called Luna, which is or was apparently a cryptocurrency, fell by 99.98% in just about a week's time. Actually, the arithmetic of the fall was tremendously entertaining as well as educational. It fell 96.7% over 4 days and then fell another 99.3% over the next 2 days. So in a week's time, 99.98% drop in the prices of Luna, this cryptocurrency. The currency's full name is Lunatic, he's saying, and this is named after people who invest in it. So if stories in the media are to be believed, there were many Indians who had invested in this thing. If your holding was worth 1 lakh on 5th of May, then you might still be able to buy a samosa with it, provided you don't go to an expensive place. So that's the story for today, and that's Luna. 99.98% drop in prices. Hi Prerna, Maya, Jina, Arokya, Preeti, Rakhi, Mukta, Sneha, Sunita, Shelly, Deepa, Shri, Usha, good morning. Good morning my people. Warm welcome. Warm welcome. So, well, this has happened, right? And let's read further. So this was para 1. And now I'm going straight into the last 2 paragraphs because I think they make absolute sense. And then we can discuss. So he's comparing cryptocurrency with stock investing. Okay, I'm not talking about stock trading. Stock trading is when you're constantly buying and selling stocks. So in a day's time you bought and sold, in a week's time, in a couple of months' time you bought and sold. I'm not talking about trading, I'm talking about investing. So long-term investment in stocks is what he's comparing cryptocurrencies with. He's saying the stock price of a company has an underlying financial logic. I'm repeating this. The stock price of a company has an underlying financial logic. That logic arises from its business track record, the profits it makes and will continue to make in the future. This means that if the stock price falls and the business parameters remain the same or improve, the stock becomes cheaper. I'm repeating this, okay guys, this is an important thing that Dhirendra Kumar is creating. He's saying that logic arises from the business's track record, the profits that it makes, and will continue to make in the future. This means that if the stock price falls and the business parameters remain the same or improve, the stock becomes cheaper and therefore more desirable to buy. In fact, that's exactly what's happening in the Indian stock markets these days. The stock prices are crashing and the business parameters of many fundamentally sound businesses are stable or improving. That makes them a better value for investors. So at the base of any stock is a business. What is a stock? A stock is a business. And any business will have its profits, revenues, promoter shareholding, right? How much mutual funds are investing in them, what's the return on the capital, etc., etc. There are many, many basics that a business will follow. Now, stocks are nothing else but those businesses. So, if a business at the base does well, its stock price also does well in the stock market over a period of time. So, Dhirendra Kumar is saying these days the market is going down, but there are many, many companies which are fundamentally extremely strong and they are getting stronger by the day. Their performance is improving. So when good quality businesses are available in the stock market at a price lower than the usual price, then you're getting stocks at very good price. And why wouldn't you run after this investment, which has a strong base to it, than a Luna? So that's the conversation he's talking about. And I think it makes absolute sense. I've been investing now for 17 years in the stock market. And yes, I've seen that too, that it's a good study. It's not gambling like it occurs to people. If you study businesses, you check out their performance, you check out how the businesses are doing, and then you buy the stock of them. And then you hold on to those stocks or you keep buying more as the opportunities arise. So why are we running after these new, high funda items when we don't need to? There is really, really no need for any one of us, especially in the Women on Wealth community, to invest in any cryptocurrency. We're all beginners and we first need to build our financial foundation. And financial foundation is built on rock solid investments. You don't buy and sell investments, you buy investments and hold them for a long time so that your foundation is set right for wealth creation for a lifetime. Now, newer investments are not for your financial foundation building. There are enough investments. Example, there are enough businesses which have huge track record. They have 50-year, 70-year track record. You need to be investing in such businesses. That is what is needed. You need to be investing in such businesses, holding on to such businesses, and then create wealth with them. Hi Namita, Sangeeta, good morning. So I'm reading now the last paragraph. Cryptocurrencies have no such underlying economic logic. So the logic that we spoke about in stock investing, it's not there in cryptocurrencies. The only reason that is there to buy is the price. And so if the price falls, then that reason gets weaker. There is no way to calculate value. It is a gamble, pure and simple. There is nothing else there. On top of that are the issues like taxation and the need to trade through shadowy entities that are self-declared exchanges but which have no one regulating them. If you still want to gamble, go ahead, but don't say that no one warned you. Start typing, guys. What are you getting? What are you understanding? What is your learning from this conversation? Diksha is saying makes sense totally. As stock market investing is a business which has a foundation, and we as knowledgeable investors can study and invest intelligently rather than take risks with crypto which has no base to study. Yeah, why gamble when you can invest? And especially why gamble when you only have, some money in your hand? So why gamble? राकी saying ET तो अब बता रहा है, मनी जिमर्स को पहले से पता है. Right, exactly. Exactly. I love what you created. We've learnt about this enough in the Money Gym program, and we are further deepening our knowledge. Usha is saying one example with respect to cryptocurrency I experienced recently. Candidate whom I was interviewing, he left his job as he was earning more on crypto than his full-time job. Now he's searching for a job again as he's lost his money. He's looking for stable income. Got that. Thank you, Usha, for sharing this real life story. And I know enough people who have done that and now, they're in a soup and going back, and that's not the way forward. Okay? We shouldn't actually club gambling with investing, and then at the same time, we shouldn't combine investing with regular income generation. These are all different concepts, and we all need to build enough foundation to, stabilize ourselves with an investment income over time. Prerna, what is being reinforced for me is taking educated decisions, and what Women on Wealth has already taught us. Got that, Prerna. Kaveri, thought you would like this article. Shiny new objects. Money Jimmers new. Got it. Yes, the shiny new objects really attract everybody, every child. And can we afford it? Can we stay put with them? Or do we really need to be in action with them? All of us to decide on. Rajeshwari is saying, I'm not regretting that I'm not behind cryptocurrency. Got it, Rajeshwari. Sunita, educated decisions is what we have to take. Thank you to Money Gym for inculcating this. Thank you. Usha is saying, how can one be that dare to put their hard-earned money? I'm still wondering. It's all in greed that we do that, Usha. The greed of making some quick bucks right away and getting rich now. It's the greed, the emotion of greed. We are all greedy. And it's fine to be greedy. We all need to learn to manage it. Kaveri is saying, never mix insurance with investments, never gamble with investments, don't chase fads, stick to knowledgeable money management. Brilliant, got that. Thank you for sharing. How many of you are ready to now further share this live? You could share it on your timelines, stories, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, anywhere that you think this conversation can make a difference to women. And especially those women who might be looking at getting rich quick, or who might be, getting allured by cryptocurrency. This live can really make a lot of sense to them. So go ahead, please share and type in share. Diksha is saying all that glitters is not gold. Hence proved. Thank you, Money Gym. Went the right way. Yes, please. And everybody needs to go the right way. If Money Gym is the right way and people don't know, women don't know about it, let's put the word out. That's my invitation. Let's really put the word out, because who knows how many women will save their money and bless all of us for making a difference to them. Usha, Kaveri, thank you for sharing the video. Means the world to me. It informs me that you're with us in this mission of making 50 lakh women financially educated by 2030. Let's do it together. Prerna, Diksha, thank you for sharing the video and commenting and saying you've shared it. Means the world to me. On this note, guys, I'm closing the live. Thank you so much for participating. Keep coming back and keep taking charge of your finances. If not you, who will take charge of your finances? So take charge, stay put, keep making that 1% improvement in your life, and keep striving for that love. Love for yourself and love for your money life. Bye-bye, everyone. Loads of love.